This is a cheap Android tablet from the mid-2010s. That was made by someone in China, and this company called Puzzle Piece flashed a special for autistics software to teach us autists how to behave. Totally not questionable at all. This is actually an okay tablet. What isn't okay is its battery life. This is the battery in it. So about that. I very much, if this is an actual Samsung battery, I very much suspect that it was actually reclaimed, because that's a very chewed up terminal. Now, I have quite a few batteries that have chewed up terminals because of me, but and they're still fine. It's just not the type of thing you want to see in an actual product. What I'm going to do is take this battery that I pulled out of a let's just say liquid damage LeapPad tablet thing. And by liquid, I mean urine. Let's just say a young human pissed on their toy. That was absolutely disgusting. This is actually a good sell. Put it in there, but you take that off. The pissing IPA going to the fucking panel. That's so annoying. Other than that, yeah, this seems to work. Nice, and there's more of it here. Curse you.